Morning girls, I wanted to vlog my day in the life today. I have not done one of these in so long, but I've been really working on getting out of this little bit of a lazy girl mindset, lazy girl era, and trying to be more productive with my days. And I just want to show you kind of how I fit everything in, from work to shooting content, being a mom, just life. And today really came at me. I have so much on my to-do list, so I felt like this would be a perfect day to kind of show you a glimpse into what a typical day looks like. So this morning I'm going to take 15 minutes just to write out everything I need to get done today on one list, because there's a lot. We have a brand new product launch. Our Pep Rally Energy Boost is finally out and available for you guys. I need to film a ton of TikToks. We have Ryan's dad's birthday dinner. We also have to do some planning for our giant mega TikTok live that we have this week. And I need to do some prep for our January challenge, meal prep, and just some like mom wife life stuff. But on a fun note, I just did a giant haul activewear and athleisure at Macy. So thank you to Macys for sponsoring this day in the life. So I'm gonna show you guys everything I got because it's really cute, and I got some new styles that I don't typically wear, but I'm actually gonna loving for this fall. So I'm gonna start with my feel good 5, which is my top 5 things that I absolutely have to get done today. Oh yeah, I have to work out too. Let's go. Okay, before I do anything else though, I need to eat because otherwise my brain is not gonna function right. I'm gonna do a full try on because I haven't actually tried everything on to make sure it fits right and like figured out how I want to style it. But I got like tracksuits, sweats, some workout gear, shoes, so much stuff. And it was so nostalgic shopping on Macy's. When I was growing up, Saturdays were like my mom and my sister's shopping days. And sometimes it was just window shopping, sometimes it was thrifting. But when we got to go to the mall, like Macy's was our spot because they had everything. Like we could get our clothes there, makeup, home stuff. Love, love, love it. And it just brought back all those feelings. I feel like especially this time of year, it's just very nostalgic. So I'm gonna try everything on. You guys can help me figure out what to wear today. And the cool thing is you can get free shipping if your order's $49 or more. But if you live close to Macy's and you need something fast, they also do free in-store pickup. So you can order it online and then just go and grab it, which is so convenient. Let's try this on and figure out what we're wearing. Okay, wait, I've not worn a tracksuit in so long, but I love this. The color is so cute. It's giving me like Sporty Spice vibes. And how adorable are these shoes? Like head to toe Reebok, every piece. And it coordinates so perfect. So like because I don't leave my house that often, I just like don't get dressed really, put cute things on. I feel like this allows me to still be like in activewear, but not like workout clothes. It's more of an actual outfit, which I love. Tuck a little bit, unzip a little, and then like a gold necklace. I would be in business. Okay, wait, I had to do it. Okay, this is my coffee day. If I had a kid that was in school, inline pickup, girls lunch. Very, very cute. Okay, wait. This fit, I don't know that I've ever had Reebok like activewear, actual like sports bra and leggings. It is buttery soft. The stitch and fabric is like the band here a little bit thicker, so it really like holds you in well. This is so cute. And the navy, and they have a ton of colors. I got navy because I just love blue, but this is perfect for my workout today, for sure. But the shoes are so comfy too. I like these, I'll show you close up. Little tan accent, which I love, that like kind of creamy tan with the white, because I feel like it's way more versatile to be able to throw it on with like jeans and a t-shirt or activewear, like kind of mix it up and doesn't feel like just a workout shoe. By the way, I'm filming like 10 workouts for TikTok, so I'm gonna show you guys my like go-to ab one I've been working on right now to kind of just focus on cinching in that waistline. If you know me, you know that I believe you can never have too many pairs of sweatpants. I have so many, all different colors, because I just live in them. Like when I'm trying to be cozy, look at these. Oh, she's cute and pink. This is like my around the house working, but still being productive look. Okay, I clearly have a thing for green, but oh my gosh, this is so cozy and comfy. Cute little jogger set, but it still feels really put together because the prices are so good. That's what I love, is you don't have to spend crazy amounts of money to have full outfit that look cute, you look put together, you can go do what you need to do, and it really just helps you be more productive when you wear a cute outfit. It's not just me. If you put on an outfit you feel good in and still comfortable, you're gonna feel so much more productive and help you get out of that lazy era because you feel cute and you wanna do more with your day. All of these are so freaking cute and comfy, and yes, like I feel like this is literally my exact eye color. So since I need to film some workouts and I want to show you guys my ab workout, I'm gonna just switch into the activewear set for today, but comment down below, let me know which one of these was your favorite, and make sure you go check out Macy's, especially if you want to shop these Reebok look. They have so many cute outfits right now. This is the time to go. I'll put the link down below for you guys, but I'm gonna change and then we're gonna get into the actual work here. So easy to stay focused.
I remember.
I don't remember. Hey, what's your name?
Luke Dunlop.
Okay, Luke Dunlop, you got that.
Hi, Mom.
Hey Luke, come with Dada. We need to record a video for Bombo.
Bombo's Luke's grandpa. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And let's close. The problem is he now can open doors, so closing it, headphones, doesn't really help. I like spending the first part of the day just kind of regrouping on what needs to get done, so I'm super clear and I can manage my time the best and pull myself back when I get distracted, because while I love being at home, it's sometimes hard to just think about house stuff. We have Luke here, all of that. So today I gotta go over all the stuff for the live, like I said, and I need to film some videos, so I'm gonna do that in a bit. But recipes take a lot of time, so that's on my list. I have 3 of those. I'm hoping to get that done today and somehow work out for myself. I use this tool called Asana, and that's where I organize all my to-do lists. That's kind of where I live, and then also having my calendars, but that's kind of the best way for me to stay productive for work, to make sure I know exactly what I need to do. I can put notes in there and check it off, and I just love that feeling of like marking something off. Ryan just came and got me out of my office because it's somehow already 1 o'clock and we have not eaten lunch. We normally have stuff meal prep. We have nothing. So I'm prepping some ground turkey. I'll show you guys in a minute. I just hate showing the raw meat, but I'm gonna do 2 pounds just so we have it for lunches the rest of the week. So instead of just wasting time trying to like make something like a sandwich that's gonna take me 5 minutes anyway, I might as well do something that can help me prep. And ground turkey is so quick. So I'm gonna do a little ground turkey bowl and then have some saved and put away. And that's for me one of the best things I can ever do, is try to find those opportunities where it doesn't take much more effort, but in the long run, it's going to save me so much time the rest of the week. So I've been making some version of this little afternoon mocktail kind of situation. It's more like an adrenal mocktail. So it has apple cider vinegar, wing woman, and then the wing woman is like immunity boost. So it has so many incredible vitamins and minerals, vitamin C, vitamin D, elderberry, echinacea to help just like boost and enhance and improve your immune system. But the reason why it's so good for your adrenals too is apple cider vinegar will help regulate blood sugar levels, and that can help with cortisol and everything, and just makes me feel better. So sometimes I'll add aloe vera water, aloe vera juice, or do like dehydrated coconut powder or something in here in the mix too, but this is just like the very simple version. Okay, did not get as many done as I'd like, but if I want to actually get my own workout in and be able to finish up some other projects I have before we have to leave for dinner, I gotta go do that now. So at least I got like 3 done. I'm just gonna do a big hot girl walk today. I'm gonna do some outside, some on the treadmill. I like to call my hot girl walks because I feel like the best version of myself when I'm getting to walk in, especially if I'm doing it on the treadmill while working, like whether that's editing or I get like my desk set up, which I'm gonna do right now because I still need to get some stuff done. So I'm gonna start there and then go get out and get fresh air. I try to do this at least 1 hour a day. It just allows me to get more steps in and more movement. If I was in an office or something, I'd get one of those little walking pads, but this is what works here. Okay, really fast. I know it's been a minute since I've done like an actual dedicated like workout video on YouTube. Do you guys want me to do one? And if so, what body part? Like what do we want to focus on? So let me know in the comments. Do you want a workout video and what should we work? Okay, I did an hour and a half of walking, about an hour on the treadmill, 30 minutes outside. I have almost 10,000 steps. I just started tracking my steps because I've been walking so much lately. I was just curious how many steps I was actually doing in a day. So I just have one of my old watches and I've been doing 10 to 12,000 steps a day. And that's a combo of just like quick 10-minute walks whenever I can think of it, after meals, in the morning, and then trying to have a dedicated like hour or so of adding that walking in while I work, just because mentally I feel like it helps me and physically, obviously, it's great. But I've now realized that we have about 40 minutes before we have to leave for dinner. So luckily my face didn't really get sweaty. My body's a little sweaty. I'm gonna do a quick rinse, refresh, and get ready to go. Okay. Let's see.
Oh, thank you.
Cute.
Yeah?
Yeah, looks great.
You don't like it?
Yeah, I do. I'm waiting for the shoe.
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
I know how you operate, and I can tell by the very first thing you say.
Oh, that'd be nice. Yeah. Okay, quick family fit check.
Oh, yes.
Bombo's birthday dinner.
Perfect.
Looking sharp.
Yeah.
Looking cute. I just got out of the shower. The boys are still in the shower. We got home so much later than we normally start our night routine. We usually start Luke at like 6:30 and it's almost 8. So we're a little behind. We're gonna get him down and then I'll kind of just wrap up the rest of the evening, abridged version. But I have something new I've been adding to my self-care sleep routine that has, I think, been making a big difference. So I'll show you guys. It's kind of weird, it's kind of messy, but I also love it. This is a castor oil pack and I do the hot sack on it while I fall asleep. I started doing this maybe 2 weeks ago. So just having some digestive issues again, mostly just with my regularity, and I feel like this happens every once in a while. And it's supposed to be so good for improving like circulation, regularity, reducing any inflammation, and it's been so helpful. I mean, I just think that like my regularity, movements and things have been better and on point. Anyway, I'm so tired. I feel like I've lived 3 lives today. So I'm gonna go to sleep. I hope you guys like seeing this full day in the life. I haven't done a full vlog like this in a while, so if you did, make sure you hit that like, comment down below, and let me know what you want to see more of. And thanks again to Macy's for sponsoring this. And if you guys haven't checked it out already, you can shop all the Reebok clothes and shoes that I was wearing with the links down below. I love you all, and I'll see you next week. Bye.